Hi and welcome back to ND Puzzles. Today is day 5 of the Puzzle Advent Calendar 2022. Just like in the previous years, this is a huge collaboration of some of the best puzzle content creators on YouTube. From December 1st to December 24th, we are presenting a new and unique puzzle every day. If you haven't already, definitely check out the previous videos. You can find the full playlist in the description. You should also go ahead and subscribe to Speedcube Review, who is going to present the 6th puzzle tomorrow. Compared to the puzzle that we originally planned for this year's Puzzle Advent Calendar, which was supposed to have more than 100 parts, the one that we are presenting now has way fewer parts, but with more than 60 individual pieces, it's still quite a complex puzzle. Unfortunately, the original puzzle did have some last-minute problems which couldn't be overcome until the set deadline. So Nico made the finishing touches to another puzzle as a backup, which was more or less finished since 2021. The puzzle that we are going to present today is called the Octa-X. The puzzle structure is similar to the X-Cube, something that we only recognized after building it. Our original idea was to combine the unique turns of the Triprism, one of our first own designs, and a classical 3x3 Rubik's Cube. This is an idea we actually came up with in 2017. At the time though, we didn't have the knowledge and experience required to design the mechanism for this puzzle. So the Octa-X remained a concept sketch with the very exciting work title Test 30. Way later, when we revisited older design ideas, Nico found the concept of this puzzle and started working on a new mechanism for this puzzle. The inner part of the puzzle has a normal 3x3 mechanism. In order to make Triprism turns, the puzzle did need a connection between the inner and the outer parts. This could have been achieved with a more complex multi-shell mechanism, but Nico instead decided to use the standard 3x3 mechanism on the outside as well. That way, the parts stay relatively simple. In contrast to the mentioned X-Cube, this puzzle has quite a bit of extra shape-shifting due to its octagonal prism outer shape. In 2021, Nico finally finished the puzzle design and started to print it. In comparison to a normal 3x3, this puzzle is massive. It has a height of 74mm and a width of 104mm. In comparison, a standard 3x3 has an edge length of approximately 60mm. After printing all of the parts, the puzzle normally has to be sanded. But because of the more precise printing we managed to achieve with the new 3D printer, the parts did not require this post-processing step. Therefore, the puzzle was directly assembled and later stickered. To our surprise, this puzzle turned significantly better than most of our custom builds, despite its complexity. The only downside of this puzzle is that the many parts sometimes make aligning every layer necessary before doing the next turn. In order to really scramble the puzzle, you have to first scramble the outer parts and then start to fully scramble the puzzle like a 3x3, which will cause shape shifting as well as some bandaging. This was our short presentation of the Octa-X. Please let us know what you think about this build. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel. We'd love to see you in the next video. Until then, don't forget to check our Speedcube Reviews video tomorrow. Stay healthy and have a Merry Christmas.